guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today in the bakery we're going to be doing puff mince pies, and we're going to be using some frozen pastry. Anyway, please subscribe and share to my channel. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Recipe is now on screen. Right guys, you want your puff pastry, you want a 3mm thick pastry, or round about that, a 9cm cutter, and some mincemeat. Right then, just shake up your pastry first, and then we're going to cut out some round circles. These up together. So one's going to be top and one's going to be bottom. Disregard this bit. You can always turn this into a little pie. Now we'll lay them out onto the tray. And now we're going to pipe in around about 50 grams of mincemeat into the middle. Now we'll spray them over with water and put their lids on, like this. And what's a good idea is if you've got a cutter a little bit smaller, you just then go over the top and just gently push them in. Keep them as nice and square as you can. And just get your fingers down round the sides just to push them down a little bit. Now all you're going to do is dot the top. Right guys, you're now going to cover these with some water. Nice little spray. Like that. And now we're going to dip them into granulated sugar. We're now going to rest these for 1 hour. The reason we do this is so the pastry doesn't shrink back, so it keeps them nice. Right guys, the puff mince pies are now ready for baking. Right guys, you bake the mince pies for around about 20 minutes at an oven temperature of 400 Fahrenheit. Right guys, the puff mince are ready. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. Check out the description below for the recipe and other items I've got underneath. Also, if you've got any questions, just pop them below the video. Anyway, we'll see you again. Laters!